Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Let's make some envelope embellishments. It is no secret that I am just a little obsessed with making these. I made all of these with my envelope punch board. I do have a video on how to make these little envelopes, the sizes I used in everything. And the last ones I made, they were mainly to use in your planner, but these, I'm making these specifically for scrapbooking layouts. So let's get started. Let's see what I come up with. So here is what I came up with. I didn't glue anything down that goes, well, maybe that one, but this can easily go on a layout. This one is not my favorite, but it may be the easiest to work into a scrapbook layout. Anything that kind of goes with the color green. So I have that one. And I think this one is my favorite. I kind of made a little envelope liner, and it comes in and out, so you can actually put pictures or write notes on the back of there, stuff other things in the envelope. And then this one, it's not an envelope liner, but everything in the inside is glued to a little piece of scrapbook paper, so you can either use this on your layout or not, or write things on the back. I tried to make these kind of when you get to your scrapbook layout, you can kind of adjust them. Let's see how this looks, because this one looks kind of plain with nothing in the envelope. Okay, so that one can work in either envelope, just depending on your pictures and what you're using them for. So I hope you enjoyed this little process, and I hope it's giving you some ideas on how to rework your stash, make little embellishments, and just get to using those scrapbook die cuts, just going through your stash. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which one is your favorite and which one do you think would be easiest to work into a scrapbook layout.